Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good,
morning, ma'am.
good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
So today we are going to continue with the first lesson of history, and from this paragraph, habitat. From this paragraph, page number 8, we are going to continue throughout this period. Which period we are talking about? Throughout which period? Which period we are talking about? Anybody knows which period we are talking about?
Ma'am, medieval period.
Middle period.
Ma'am,
Ancient period, है ना? When we have read
Yes,
about the
medieval period.
term, yes, when we have read about the term Rajputra. Rajputra, what does the word Rajputra means?
राजा का पुत्र.
Raja ka putra, that is
Ma'am, राजा का बेटा.
yes,
राजा का पुत्र.
yes, son
राजा
of
का
the
पुत्र.
in English,
Ma'am,
son of the
Ma'am, son of the
yes, son of the
ruler.
ruler. So as the person is the son of ruler, that means ruler means to the one who is ruling the country. To rule the country means that he should be a good warrior, we can say. वो अपना जगह अपना टेरिटरी बचाने के लिए लड़ाई उसको आनी चाहिए. तो he belong to which caste? Kshatriya caste. This caste system also you are well aware. First the first topmost category of the caste system was Brahmins, है ना? The religious holy people. Then the second category was of Kshatriya. And then Kshatriya was the ruling class. Kshatriya was the ruling class, है ना? Then third class was of Vaishyas. Vaishyas means the people who were indulged in agriculture, trade and activities and all. And then last was Shudras. Shudras was the lowest category of the people in the caste system. So this Rajputra consists of the warriors, that is Kshatriya caste. Then we have read about the code of conduct. Code of conduct means the law of conduct, how the Rajput should be. How the Rajput should be? Rajput should have the extreme valor. Extreme valor means the Rajput should be very powerful. The Rajput should be very powerful and have the great sense of loyalty. बहुत ही faithful होना चाहिए. किसको faithful होना चाहिए? The rulers, the
Rajput.
chieftains, the soldiers, and the commanders. So all these people should be very powerful and should have the sense of loyalty. Clear? Then other groups of people were also there. Not only Rajputs were there, but other people were also there who used the opportunity of the age to become politically important. And they had taken the opportunity. Opportunity means mauka. Chance. Very good. Chance.
Ma'am, mauka.
Ma'am, chance.
Ma'am, chance. Ma'am, mauka.
Good,
Ma'am,
good.
chance.
चांस या मौका जो
Ma'am,
भी है,
chance.
उन्होंने पॉलिटिकली इम्पोर्टेंस लेने के लिए अपना ये लोग भी अपार्ट फ्रॉम राजपूत पीपल, अदर पीपल वर आल्सो देयर. मराठास, सिख, जाट्स, ahoms and kayas. These people were also there. Who were kayas? I had also made it clear. Kayas, the word. Kayas.
Ma'am, a caste of scribes and
Yes.
scribes and
Scribes and secretaries. Caste of
Yes, ma'am.
scribes and
Of
secretaries. Secretaries
scribes
means
and
जो
secretaries.
हाँ जो किंग के बहुत क्लोज होते थे, सेक्रेटरीज वगैरह जो इम्पोर्टेंट काम करते थे गवर्नमेंट का, that were called as secretaries. Scribes means who used to copy the manuscripts. So they were considered as the caste of pious. So these people, other group of people, Marathas, Sikh, Jat, Ahoms and Kayast also used the opportunity of the age to become politically important. इन्होंने भी मौका पा करके अपने आप को बहुत पावरफुल बना लिया. Clear this much? अपने आप को बहुत पावरफुल बना लिया.
Yes, ma'am.
Not only Rajputs were powerful, now Maratha, Sikh, Jats, Ahoms and Kayats also became powerful. Throughout this period, there was a gradual clearing of forest and extension of agriculture, change faster and more complete in some areas than in others. Now, throughout this period, what happened? The change occurred. एक के बाद एक changes society में होने लगे, culture में होने लगे, and with this change, first change was that the clearing of the forest को हटा दिया गया.
फॉरेस्ट सारे हट गए.
हाँ, पेड़ वगैरह काट कर उसको क्लियर कर दिया गया, लैंड को बिल्कुल क्लियर कर दिया गया. एंड द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, फॉर व्हाट द फॉरेस्ट वाज क्लियर? फॉर द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर.
Agriculture.
A change faster and more complete in some areas than in others. Now some areas this change become much faster, तो कुछ एरिया में थोड़ा धीरे धीरे ये चेंजेस हो रहे थे, ठीक है. But changes were there in each and every part of the country.
Yeah.
Changes in the habitat forced many forest dwellers to migrate. Now change in the habitat. Habitat, I made you clear. Habitat means the environment,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
region in which the particular people
Yes, ma'am.
in the forest who are living, the tribal people, forest people are living. Now forest people, forest dwellers means the people who are living in
Forest.
Forest.
Yes. So now they were
Forest.
yes. Now they were forced to move out of the forest. Why they were asked to move out of the forest? Because the forests were being cleared for the extension of agriculture. अब forest को हटा करके वहाँ पर agriculture, वहाँ की land cultivation के लिए काम में ली जाने लगी. That is why the forest dwellers had to migrate. वहाँ से हटा दिए गए, उनको वहाँ से हटने को कह दिया गया, या वो खुद से ही चले गए willingly. Others started tilling the land. Now other people, the forest dwellers started tilling the land. जो land cultivation के लिए ले ली गई, agriculture के लिए land ले ली गई, तो वो land पर tilling the land means agriculture का काम करने लगे, cultivation का काम करने लगे, and became the peasants. और forest dwellers से अब वो क्या बन गए? Peasants, farmers बन गए. These new peasant groups gradually began to be influenced by regional markets. और ये जो peasants group है, ये धीरे धीरे किससे influence होने लगा? Regional markets, chieftains, priests, monasteries and temples. So these new peasant groups gradually began to be influenced by regional markets, chieftains, priests, monasteries and temples. Now regional markets, you know, the local markets. Chieftains means chief, priest means religious preachers, pujari pandit log. Monasteries means the people who used to, the place where means monks live, religious people live, and the temples. They become part of large complex society. Now they became, the peasants group became influenced, they were influenced by these markets and temples and monasteries, and it became the part of large complex societies and were required to pay tax and offer goods and services to the local lords. Now they were asked to pay the tax to the local lords. किसको टैक्स पे करने के लिए बोला गया था? Yes, Lakshita. Who were asked to pay the taxes now? Yes, Lakshita.
Ma'am, the local law.
Yes.
Ma'am, the local law.
Local law.
Who had to pay the tax? किसको पे करना पड़ता था?
Ma'am,
chieftains,
Chieftains,
priests, monarchs
priests.
and temples.
Yes, peasants had to pay the tax to the local lords.
Local lords.
Okay, fine. Now, as a result, significant economic and social differences emerged among the peasants. और peasants में, farmers में भी differences शुरू हो गए, groups बनने लग गए. Some possessed more productive land, other also kept cattle, and some combined artisanal work with the agricultural activity during the lean season. That means some people now possess, now the difference was there among the peasants also. Now, what type of difference was seen there? Some were having more agricultural land, some were having less agricultural land, some were keeping the cattle also with them, and some were artisanal work. Artisanal work means they were indulged in uh, some art activity with gradual activity during the lean season. Lean season means जब कल्टीवेशन नहीं होता था, तो क्या होता था, जब एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप्स नहीं ग्रो कर सकते थे कुछ सीजन में, तो तब उस वक्त ये पेजेंट्स क्या करते थे, कोई पर्टिकुलर आर्ट एक्टिविटी में इंडल्ज हो जाते थे, या अपने पास कैटल्स रखते थे, या दोनों काम आपस में ये साइमल्टेनियसली करते थे, ठीक है ना. Then a society became more differentiated. A society become more differentiated. People were grouped into jatis or subcaste. Now the jatis and people were becoming now uh, divided into jatis and subcaste. Now also you know that Hindu, if we take the Hindu religion में भी कितने सारे जाति और कास्ट देखने को मिलेंगे हमें, है ना. Yes or no? Now this uh, more differences can be easily visible in the society. People were grouped into jatis. Now people were started making the groups into different jatis or subcaste. Caste में divide होने लगे and ranked on the basis of their background and their occupation. Now they used to be known by their backgrounds, what backgrounds they were having, what occupations they were following. Accordingly, they were divided into jatis or subcaste. Clear? Ranks were not fixed permanently. Now these ranks were not fixed permanently. That means the occupation, sometimes people used to do other works also. कभी कुछ occupation livelihood के लिए लेते थे, कभी कुछ. So that is why these ranks were not fixed permanently and varied according to the power, influence and resources controlled by the member of the jati, and they were according to the power, how much power that particular person is having, influence this person is having, how much resources, how many resources, that means how much land, money that particular person is having. Accordingly he became the member of that particular jati. Now the status of the same jati could vary from area to area. अब status उस जाति का कहीं पर उस जाति का स्टेटस ज्यादा हो, कहीं पर कम, हर जगह पर एक सा नहीं रहता था status. Clear? There was a change in the status of the jatis also. So now you can underline this. Jatis, what is the work of the jatis? Jatis framed their own rules. Now jatis used to frame their own rules and regulations to manage the conduct of their members. Now to manage the conduct of the members, how the behavior of the members should be there. For that purpose, jatis frame their own rules and regulations. जातीज अपनी खुद की rules and regulations frame करती थी to manage what type of means conduct should be there of the members, how the members of the jati should behave while they are in the particular jati. These regulations were enforced by an assembly of elders. Now these regulations, these rules and regulations were enforced by whom? By the elders, assembly of elders. Elders means बड़े बूढ़े जो होते थे, वहाँ उन लोगों के द्वारा ये rules regulations impose होते थे. Described in some areas as jati panchayat, and in some areas where the rules were enforced by the elders, elderly people, बड़े बुजुर्ग के द्वारा ये rules लगाए जाते थे, उसे क्या बोलते थे उस वक्त? जाति पंचायत. Then but jatis were also required to follow the rules of their villages. Jatis were also required to follow their own rules of the villages. Not only jati अपने खुद के rules नहीं मानती थी, but village में रहती थी तो वो villages के rules को भी मानना जरूरी था. Several villages were governed by the chieftains. Now several villages were under the person called chieftain. So who was the chieftain? Chieftain was the person under whom many villages were there. Together they were only one small unit of state, and together they were only one small unit of the state. एक state का small सब एक काफी सारे villages को का गवर्नर कौन होता था? चेफ्शियन. और ऐसे ही काफी सारे villages अलग अलग चेफ्शियन होते थे और उन सबको एक यूनिट में मानना जाता था. That was called as state. I hope till here it is clear. Now region and empire. Large states like those of Cholas. Now you might have learned this word about Cholas in 6th standard. Different dynasties. Have you read about these kingdoms? Different kingdoms?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
large states like Cholas, Tughlaqs, Mughals encompassed
Yes,
many regions. Encompassed many regions means बहुत से regions में the many states were under the Cholas, Tughlaqs and Mughals. So a Sanskrit Prashasti, for an example of the Prashasti, the word Prashasti means praising of the ruler. प्रशस्तिस were written in praise of the ruler. राजा की बड़ाई में जो लिखे जाते थे, बड़ाई करने के लिए, उनको अपहोल्ड करने के लिए, उनको जो लिखे जाते थे, it was called as प्रशस्ति. So a संस्कृत प्रशस्ति, संस्कृत में जो प्रशस्ति लिखी गई, you can see in chapter 2 for an example of प्रशस्ति praising the Delhi Sultan Ghiyasuddin Balban. ये हम सेकेंड लेसन में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है ना, सेकेंड लेसन में पढ़ेंगे. प्रशस्ति वर्ड, प्रशस्ति मींस प्रेजिंग ऑफ द रूलर, और ये हम सेकेंड लेसन में किसका प्रेजिंग पढ़ेंगे? गयासुद्दीन बलबन, दिल्ली सुल्तान. Explained that he was the ruler of vast empire that stretched from Bengal in the east of Ghazni in Afghanistan in the west and included all South India, that is Dravida. उस वक्त साउथ इंडिया, पूरा साउथ इंडिया को क्या बोलते थे? द्राविड़ा के नाम से बुलाया जाता था. बंगाल को पास्ट में क्या बुलाया जाता था? गौडा करके. एंड गजनी को क्या करके बुलाया जाता था? गजाना. Clear? So all these places were under the Delhi Sultan at that time, that was called as Ghiyasuddin Balban, who was ruling. Ruling period क्या था उनका? किस समय से किस समय तक रूल किया था? 1266 to 1287. Clear? People of different region, that is Goda, Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat apparently fled before his armies. That means ये सारे regions के जो लोग थे, जो राजा थे, ये गयासुद्दीन बलबन की आर्मी को देखते ही भाग खड़े होते थे. सो इतना पावरफुल ये दिल्ली सुल्तान गयासुद्दीन बलबन थे. Understood? So people of different Jatain, people of different regions, that is दूसरे रीजन्स के जो लोग थे, गोंडा, आंध्र, केरला, कर्नाटक, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात के, ये हम देखते हैं कि ये एक तरीके से इनके सामने, दिल्ली सुल्तान के सामने, बलबन के सामने टिक नहीं पाते थे, इनकी आर्मी के सामने. हिस्टोरियंस regard this as exaggerated claims of conquest. That means ये बलबन की इतनी सारी conquest थी, इसीलिए इनके सामने दूसरा और कोई आर्मी टिक नहीं पाती थी. So provinces of Delhi Sultans during Muhammad Tughlaq's reign, according to Egyptian source Mazalik al-Absar fi Mamalik al-Amsar of Shahabuddin Umrai. Now these are all the conquests. ये हम कॉन्क्वेस्ट देखते हैं, ये सारी टेरिटरीज किसके अंडर में थी उस वक्त? मुगल मींस दिल्ली सुल्तान महमूद तुगलक के अंडर में. क्लियर? Now next, at the same time they tried to understand why rulers kept claiming to have control over different parts of the सबकॉन्टिनेंट. एट द सेम टाइम दे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, वो ये भी सोचने को, हिस्टोरियंस ये भी सोचते थे कि ये लोग इन टेरिटरीज पे, जो पावरफुल किंगडम्स थे, उनकी टेरिटरीज पे उनकी पावरफुल आर्मी के आगे टिकते नहीं थे, बट दे ऑलवेज ट्राई टू हैव कंट्रोल इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द सब कॉन्टिनेंट। वो हमेशा ये ट्राई करते थे तो ये पार्ट नहीं तो दूसरा पार्ट उनके कंट्रोल में आ जाए। So by 700, regions already possess distinct geographical dimensions and their own language and cultural characteristics. So 700 regions में already अलग सा geographical dimension था, अपना own territories उनके control में थी, they had their own language in which they were ruling, their own cultural characteristics, और you will learn more about these in chapter 9 में और kingdoms के बारे में आप पढ़ेंगे। They were also associated with the specific ruling dynasties, special ruling dynasties आई एक के बाद एक, जो इंडिया पे रूल किया उन्होंने, और एक के बाद एक टेरिटरीज उन्होंने अपने अंडर में करके और बहुत अच्छे से एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रूल किया। There were considerable conflict between these states. Occasionally, dynasties like Chola, Khilji, Tughlaq, Mughals were able to build an empire that was pan-regional. Now, these dynasties were very much powerful dynasties. They had their own region of supremacy, अपना खुद का rule regulations थे. So, these were very powerful empire and they ruled the pan-regional. Pan-regional means, underline this is very important. What does the word pan-regional means? Pan-regional means spanning diverse regions. Spanning diverse region means अपने रीजन से भी बाहर की जो टेरिटरीज पे रूल कर रहे थे वो, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पैन रीजनल। मींस अपना खुद का टेरिटरी ही नहीं, दूसरी आसपास की जो एरिया थे उसको भी उन्होंने वॉर के द्वारा, बैटल के द्वारा सक्सीड कर लिया था और वो सक्सेसफुली उस पर रूल कर रहे थे। दैट इज कॉल्ड पैन रीजनल, स्पैनिंग डाइवर्स रीजन। नॉट ऑल दीज एम्पायर्स वर इक्वली स्टेबल और सक्सेसफुल। सारे ही एम्पायर सक्सेसफुल नहीं थे, बट कुछ एम्पायर्स सक्सेसफुल थे। होप टिल हियर इट इज क्लियर। So what was the duration of the rule of Khilji and Mughal dynasty? Now the question arises in our mind that what was the duration of the rule of Khilji and Mughal dynasty when the Mughal empire declined? Mughal empire जब decline हुआ, decline means जब मुगल एम्पायर खत्म होने हो गया, एक तरीके से वैनिश हो गया इन द 18th century, इट लेड टू रीएमर्जेंस ऑफ रीजनल स्टेट्स। और जब मुगल एम्पायर खत्म हो गया, उसका रूल, मुगल्स का रूल खत्म हो गया, तो व्हाट हैपेंड, द एमरजेंसी, रीएमर्जेंस ऑफ रीजनल स्टेट्स। जो रीजनल स्टेट्स थे, छोटे छोटे रीजन्स में डिवाइड था हमारा हिंदुस्तान, वो एक तरीके से वापस से रूल करने के लिए सामने आ गए। बट द इयर्स ऑफ इंपीरियल, दैट इज पैन रीजनल रूल, हैड ऑल्टर्ड द कैरेक्टर ऑफ द रीजन्स। दैट मींस वो अपने ही रीजन में नहीं, बट जब उनके बात दिमाग में पैन रीजनल रूल आया, दैट मींस not only they ruled over their own territories, but in the territories apart from their region. Across most of the subcontinent, the regions were left with the legacies of big and small states that had ruled over them. अब सबकॉन्टिनेंट में जो छोटे छोटे रीजन्स थे, वो कोई बड़ा कोई छोटे स्टेट्स किसी ना किसी रूल के अंडर में आए ही हैं, किसी ना किसी रूलर के अंडर में वो एक तरीके से रूल किए गए थे। दिस वाज नेचुरल, apparent means natural, in the emergence of many distinct and shared tradition। मतलब इन रीजन्स के में काफी कुछ अलग भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स थे और काफी कुछ सिमिलर भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स थे। इन द realms of governance, in the realms of governance means एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में जो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म हुई, द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमी, एलाइड कल्चर, हाई कल्चर, रिच कल्चर एंड लैंग्वेज, इनमें भी काफी कुछ सिमिलरिटी देखने को मिलती है। मींस एक रूलर दूसरे टेरिटरीज में अपना रूल एक्सपेंड करता है, तो जहां पर एक इकोनॉमी, कल्चर है, लैंग्वेज है, वो दूसरे में भी वही चीज देखने को मिलती है। थ्रू द 1000 years between 700 to 750, the character of different regions did not grow in isolation. So in isolation means एक अलग से कल्चर या ट्रेडिशन ग्रो नहीं किया, ग्रोथ नहीं हुई, चेंजेस अलग से नहीं हुआ, बट ओवरऑल जब चेंजेस अपीयर हुए तो ओवरऑल सबके सामने चेंजेस आए. These regions felt the impact of larger pan-regional forces of integration without ever quite losing their distinctiveness. Means अपना खुद का कल्चर वगैरह नहीं लूज करके वो और दूसरे टेरिटरीज में अपना साम्राज्य स्थापित किया. पैन रीजनल मीन्स अपना साम्राज्य अपने ही रीजन में नहीं बट बाहर के दूसरे आसपास के रीजन्स में भी स्थापित किया. क्लियर? So hope till here it is clear, everybody. Everybody till here clear. समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक?
Yes, ma'am.
Till here
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छे से पढ़कर आइए, ठीक है ना? From our next class we will read about old
Yes,
and
ma'am.
religions.
Okay, ma'am.
और मैंने आपको
Okay,
मैप
ma'am.
के लिए बताया आप है ना 8 to 10 maps political 8 to 10 या political maps आप खरीद के रख लीजिए.
Ma'am, my
Clear?
voice is not coming clearly.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, आपकी voice
Ma'am, your